Everything they said is true. That the nausea and swollen feet and heartburn and back pain, it literally all disappeared as soon as I birthed my baby. That all that discomfort would be completely worth it. That I wouldn't remember any of it. That holding my son in my arms would flip my perspective on absolutely everything. That the moment of birth would bring my body back to normal and I would be Hannah again. That priorities would change, my heart would burst open, and there inside would be a new love I had never known before. That newborn days are precious. That brand new babies change by the minute. That healing after birth is extremely tender but glows with happiness. It's all true, all of it. And I can't believe I'm saying this, but taking care of my new baby while healing from the most intense physical feat of my life is even harder than pregnancy, and I don't give two flying fingers about it. I haven't once thought to complain because I have my baby, and I really think he's an angel who chose me to be his mommy and him to be his daddy, knowing we all fit together like mirror images. And he trusts us to do a good job and not screw things up too badly. Meet Cosmo Valentine McNeely, born last Saturday at home in the water, surrounded by joy, love, and peace.